Okay, so here I am just gonna go make sure that everything is already set up. So I'm just gonna go here, go to the class levels and validate. Basically, so this is the idea. So so here I have a new term. I'm just waiting for this window to pop up. Okay, awesome. So I have this term 2022, 2023, which is not set up. So if I click on it, I only have one Nasri one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to promotions, and from promotions, I'm going to promote into that. Um, so here I'm going to pick like an old term that has students. So here I'm going to go to Crutch, and I'm going to go to Malaysia. Then I'm going to promote that from Crutch to another Nasri one in 2022. So here, so these are the Nasri. Nasri has just one section A, but I'll create another one. I'll use this create button under the Nasri. All the class levels have a create button. I couldn't put them on one line, which I'll fix later. But so for now, Nasri, I'll create another crutch. I'll create another section, which will be section B, right? And I'll give it a new teacher, and I'll save it. And there we have section B. So now I'll promote the student from Malaysia, Crutch Malaysia section into that section B. Just like that. And now that section B has 10 students. And then I can add some more students. So next I'll add Nigeria, the student from Nigeria, into that same section B. So I'll not touch it, or like basically just click on it again. So it's basically Nazareth 1, section B. So I'll just click promote, and now there should be 20 students. And there we go. And if I choose to add more students to that specific class, so here I can promote all the students from this section. So I'll charge 10 students. If I add them, it'll become 30 students. Basically, and that's how it works.